On one of my days off over Christmas, I decided to be a good husband and do all the laundry, but I may have inadvertently destroyed some of Emma's clothes in the process. After the initial upset, we both decided that we needed to put a system into place. The first step was to get a few laundry baskets so we could separate the clothes into different washes. We also labelled each basket with the type of wash, the number of tablets required, and the temperature. We weren't that happy with the visual controls, so we added some colour tape to each basket. This also prompted us to improve the labels so wherever you ask the question, the answer should be. Each label shows the type of wash, the clothes that go into it, the wash settings, the number of tablets, the temperature, and the dryer settings. When a basket is full, it prompts you to put that wash on. And now using the label, you're able to cross-check all the settings so you can check that you have the correct number of tablets, that the temperature is correct, and the wash setting is correct. We made space to the left of the washing machine to store the basket so that Emma could see what wash I've put on or vice versa. The same applies when drying the clothes, and hopefully this process will stop me from destroying Emma's clothes in the future.